BJP is marching ahead for the victory, tremendous victory in Delhi under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. We are coming back for the Delhi Assembly with a majority after 27 years. Delhi people, Delhi voters have completely rejected the people who are with a negative mindset, the people who work with a divisive policies, the people who came to the forefront of the politics through Anna Hazare anti-corruption movement. They themselves became corrupt. In fact, people of Delhi wanted to see an alternative, but the alternative which was given to Mr. Kejriwal has been totally failed. He was always having a negative mindset, in a way urban Naxal mindset, against his own government. He used to go and sit on the street, and what he promised, the electricity, water, that also he could not able to do it. This negative politics, negative attitude, anarchy mindset has been totally rejected by the people of Delhi. That's why once again they voted Bharatiya Janata Party under the leadership of Prime Minister. And second, Congress Party, I feel very pity for that party. They are seen nowhere. You take it Jharkhand, you take it Madhya Pradesh, you take it Gujarat, you take it Jammu Kashmir. Anywhere they are not seen. I am very surprised and really disappointed that Congress is losing its existence. Why I am disappointed? Because Bharatiya Janata Party believes in democracy. In democracy there should be constructive opposition. But even the space of opposition, Congress Party is losing. I wish them that instead of showing finger at the Election Commission and EVM, let them introspect why they are failing continuously. Let them understand and try to take corrective measures. Then people may at least give the opposition space, which is pan-India. It is vacant because of your misconception, wrong attitude, अहंकार की जो व्यवहार है उसके कारण आपको रिजेक्ट किया है. नेगेटिव थॉट्स के कारण आपको, नेगेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस के कारण आपको they have been rejected.
Sir, Aam Aadmi and Congress party leaders so many allegations in election time moment, sir. BJP.
Sorry?
So many allegations, Congress and Aam Aadmi.
People have rejected all allegations because under the leadership of Modi in last little more than 10 years, we have given clean government. In a way, I can very proudly say, political corruption has been almost eradicated. ठीक है, कुछ ब्यूरोक्रेटिक लेवल में हो और राज्यों में और सिस्टम में हो, करप्शन के एलिगेशन किसी के ऊपर होगा, लेकिन मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारतीय जनता पार्टी 10.5 साल से काम कर रही है. एक भी भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप भारतीय जनता पार्टी के ऊपर नहीं है.